Here's something nobody tells you about job hunting. You're not losing because you're underqualified. You're losing because the system was never designed to find the best person. It was designed to filter out the most people as fast as possible. Let that sink in. Right now, somewhere, a recruiter is spending 6 seconds on your resume. I run 3 companies myself and we hire hundreds of candidates a year. It's humanly impossible to give time to each resume we get. So if the right keywords aren't there in your resume, it's going to be tough for both of us. But here's what changes everything. AI has basically handed you the cheat code. Think about the person who used to spend hours on job hunting and managed to send out only 4 applications. That person is still out there, rewriting "I am a passionate and motivated individual" for the 8th time and slowly losing the will to live. You don't have to be that person anymore, because what used to take a weekend can now take a few minutes. A tailored resume, a custom cover letter, interview prep, salary research, all of it done properly using tools that most people still haven't figured out. And that gap between the people who know this and the people who don't, that's your edge right now. So today, we're going to break this down into 4 stages. By the end of this, you'll have a complete AI system for landing your dream job from the first application all the way to the offer letter. Before we begin, I wanted to tell you a little something about myself. I run 3 AI companies and train people across 150 plus countries. I've studied AI thoroughly and now to teach you how to leverage it and become successful. In fact, my goal is to teach AI to 1 billion people across the globe. In order to do this, apart from making videos, I also share the latest AI updates, prompts, tools, and a lot of tips and tricks in my free WhatsApp community called Staying Ahead. If you'd like to be a part of it, you'll find the link in the description. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's start at the beginning. Most people search for jobs like this. They go to LinkedIn, they type marketing intern, they filter by location, and they scroll and they apply to whatever looks right. Here's the smarter way to do this. There are AI assistants now, tools like Claude, Perplexity, or certain features within ChatGPT that can actually read a web page. They're called agentic tools. And yes, it may sound complex, but stay with me. Here's what you do. Step 1, open your LinkedIn profile, make sure it's updated. This is my profile. Step 2, open an AI assistant. How do we do this? So Perplexity AI has this tool called the Comet browser. It can browse the web on your behalf, interact with pages like a human would, understand context from what's on screen, and complete tasks across sites. Let's use it for this task. All we have to do is type Comet browser on Google, tap on this link and download it. It's that simple. Once it installs, set up your profile and you're ready to have a conversation with it. Step 3, this is the prompt I'm using. And I want you to copy this type of prompt because the specificity is what makes it work. Here is my LinkedIn profile. Please review my complete profile, my experience, skills, and background, and find me suitable jobs in San Francisco or the Bay Area that I could apply for. Justify why the top 5 jobs are the best fit for me and why I should apply for them. These are the jobs I must apply for overall. Also, provide a note on the percentage fitment of each job profile relative to my current profile. That is information you can act on. And here's what we get. A summary on my LinkedIn profile, then the 5 jobs I should apply for, and a fitment score for each. This tells me I have EdTech domain expertise, AI product experience, and I'd be a good fit for head of revenue in an EdTech AI startup. Then head of growth or head of growth marketing at an AI startup. And finally, chief of staff or CEO at an AI startup. Now I can pick and choose what roles I want to apply for. Compare this to what you were doing before. 3 hours of scrolling, opening 20 tabs, wondering whether each role is really for you. This whole search just took us just a few minutes, and it did not just find jobs, it actually ranked them by how well they suit your actual experience. That is the difference between hunting for jobs and having jobs come to you. Perplexity Assistant has also attached links so I can open the job and take it from there. We can do the same thing on sites other than LinkedIn like Indeed or Naukri. Now let's go to phase 2, which is, you've probably heard someone say, just have one strong resume and send it everywhere. That person has either never hired anyone or they've been out of the job market for a long time. Modern companies use ATS, applicant tracking systems, software that scans your resume before any human sees it. It's looking for specific keywords that match the job description. If those keywords aren't there, your resume gets filtered out automatically. The recruiter never even sees it, which means a resume that's perfect for one job might be invisible to another. This is why you need a tailored resume for every serious application. And I know what you're thinking, that takes forever. It used to, but with AI now, it doesn't anymore. Here's how to personalize your resume for each job. For this process, we'll use Gemini. Go to gemini.google.com. Tap on Tools and you'll find this feature called Canvas. It's like a live document editor built right into the AI conversation. Step 1, we add the job description. We tell Gemini, here is the job description. Step 2, then we go back to the Comet browser to make our LinkedIn summary. I've simply prompted, give me the complete summary note of my profile. Here we have it. Now we go back to Gemini Canvas and paste this. Here is my profile summary. Step 3, then in my prompt, I ask it to create a customized resume using LaTeX. Why LaTeX? Because LaTeX is a document formatting language. It produces clean, structured, professional looking output. Your resume won't look like a Word document, but something a designer made. The best part is that you do not have to learn LaTeX or open any other software. Gemini handles all of it inside Canvas. You just see the final clean output, the kind of resume where the spacing, the headers, the alignment, all look like someone with a design background spent 3 hours on it. Now, we want it to ensure that we are using Gemini's thinking model. Alright, so now what happens is the AI will look at the job description, the role requirements, and it will start crafting the resume for us. Here is our well-formatted resume. It's got my introduction, my core competencies, my current professional experience. Now I can give it further feedback, such as format it to fit on a single page. We add a line about making it a single page because recruiters don't read the hundreds of resumes they get. They only have time to scan it. One page communicates confidence and clarity. 2 pages signal that you don't know what's important. Here we go. Do you see all of it condensed into a single resume? Now all I have to do is copy this resume and I can send it to anybody. Great. We have completed step 2. Now, if I have to write a cover letter for my job, a good cover letter, I will have to research about this company and this specific problem they're trying to solve, because that will help me stand out. Now, research usually takes time, but we know how to use AI. So let's automate this process too. First, I identify who I want to send it to. It can be the hiring manager of the company or the department team, or if you're bold enough, the CEO. Hypothetically, let's say I'm applying to Dario Amodei, CEO of Anthropic, to lead their growth and the education vertical. So first, I go to his LinkedIn profile and open Perplexity's assistant, so it has this context. Then I prompt, I want to write a cover letter to Dario Amodei, whose profile you see on the screen. I want to use my profile, which I have shared in consideration. Write about how I can help in Anthropic's next level of growth, as well as strengthening the education initiatives so that Anthropic can be a household name and increase its presence over all competitors. Additionally, do research on Dario, his recent statements, and then draft a very engaging cover letter. So now it is actually doing research on Dario Amodei and giving us a customized cover letter. Dear Dario, I'll skip the pleasantries and come straight to the point because I suspect that's how you prefer it. Then it's given me a section each on who I am, why Anthropic, and why now. Finally, it's detailing what I am proposing. It's well written, but remember one thing, don't just paste the output as is. It should not feel like an AI simply did it. Add your personalization, some quirky things about yourself so that it feels like a personal message. Now I'll copy this so I can use it in a LinkedIn DM or compile it into a PDF and email it to Dario. Here's why this works. You're not just saying you want the job. You're demonstrating that you understand their world. You've done the work. You're already thinking like someone on their team. That's rare, and people notice rare. Now, let's go to the most nerve-wracking part, the interview process. Most people don't know enough about every company they apply to. They don't know what questions will be asked. They don't know how to talk about your experience without sounding either too scripted or too nervous. This phase, the preparation phase, is where most people lose interviews they should have won. Because preparation isn't just knowing the answers. It's being comfortable enough with the material that your personality can come through. Here's how AI can even help with this. Let's go to notebooklm.google.com. This is one of the most underrated tools available right now, and it's free. NotebookLM lets you upload documents and then have a conversation with them. The AI only uses your documents to answer. It doesn't hallucinate from the internet. Here's how to build your personal interview notebook. Click on Create a new notebook. Now upload your cover letter, then search for resources about Anthropic, their blogs, products, as well as the talks by Dario Amodei. There it is. I'm adding this additional information. You can also add your resume, the job description, and all relevant documents. Next, type this into the chat. I am Vaibhav and I'm planning for an interview with Dario Amodei. Help me with mock questions for the interview. And when I share my answer, rate my answers on a scale of 1 to 10 and tell me what I need to improve. So now it's going to go through all the resources you shared to complete this task. Here we go. Mock interview question 1. In an essay, I wrote about a dream scenario where AI could drive 20% annual GDP growth in the developing world, so countries like India could quickly catch up to the developed world. However, I worry about inequality, where this technology might only benefit the rich. How would you specifically design Anthropic's go-to-market strategy in India so that it reaches a widespread audience? My answer here is that my go-to-market strategy would focus heavily on education. I'd run a large number of workshops and talks, and because of my current following, I can attract a larger audience to do the same. I'm adding a few more lines. Let's see what NotebookLM says. It's evaluating it and analyzing how well it addresses the question. It's giving me deep feedback and telling me exactly what parts of the question to address differently. Now it's asking me the second mock interview question. So like this, I can keep doing the mock interview. But look at this additional feature. It's called Audio Overview, and it generates a 2-person podcast style conversation about your uploaded documents. All you have to do is add a prompt. Here I'm writing, the host must help me, Vaibhav, prepare for a mock interview with Dario. And I will click on generate. I can now use this to answer each question out loud. Let's play this and see how it is.
Vaibhav, welcome. This deep dive is entirely for you.
Here also, you can ask the AI to rate your answer on a scale of 1 to 10 and tell you specifically what to improve. What specific detail is missing? What would a 10 out of 10 answer include? So, this is the way I can use multiple AI tools to find jobs and to apply. Just note one thing. Whenever you use AI, know that it's 80% the final output. AI will keep improving, but until then, 20% will have to be human intervention and effort. That means that you need to review, humanize some answers, and spend some time reviewing the responses generated before moving on to the next steps of the process. If that's understood, then you're ready to begin. We hope you all crack your dream positions. And if you know someone who's currently in the grind of applying to jobs, send this to them. It might actually change their week. A few things before you go. This was specifically for job searches. But now, if you want to apply AI in your daily life, we recently made a video on how to go from an AI beginner to an pro using a 5-step framework called the ADAPT framework. If you want to check that out, I'll put the video link on the screen. And another side note, 70% of the people watching this are not subscribed yet. So YouTube will not show you the next AI workflow video we drop. If you want to stay ahead instead of catching up, hit that subscribe button now. Quick thing for the founders watching. Me and my team actually run corporate AI trainings. We have been brought in by Adobe, Razorpay, Uber, and a bunch of others to train their teams on exactly this kind of stuff. So if you are running a company and you want the same kind of session for your people, the email is in the description. Just write to us. And a last note for all my viewers. We had promised you that we would make a few videos when we reached 500,000. We are in the process of making not 1 but 3 videos to exactly describe in detail our workflows to make these YouTube videos. So stay tuned, and the first one will drop very soon. See you.